Klarna is incredible. If you don't know what Klarna is, go ahead and look it up. At first, I was very skeptical. I thought it was a scam. I thought it wasn't real. I was like, how the hell are they letting you make payments and you don't get no Social Security? It's real. I've been using it the last 2 years. The amount of credit that I have available is crazy. Now, here's the thing. I have the money to buy everything in full. But why would you do that? Why would you do that when you can cash flow and you can extend payments and use that money for other investments? But I'm just saying, like, it's another tool to open up a credit line without affecting your credit. Now, I do hear the arguments about, well, they don't report. It's not really building your credit. Okay. Understandable. But it is building my credit. You want to know why? Because the payment method I have on my Klarna is my credit card. So it actually means I'm getting 2 months to pay on the first payment. Bars.